Avoid PERM fraud. Disclose your family relationships on Form 9089. Employers, don't make this mistake on your PERM application. Answering the familial relationship disclosure question incorrectly could lead to serious consequences. Let's break it down. The PERM process is the first step in most employment-based green card applications. It's designed to make sure that qualified U.S. workers aren't unfairly passed over. As part of this process, employers must complete Form 9089, which includes answering this question. Is there a familial relationship between the foreign worker and the owners, stockholders, partners, corporate officers, and/or incorporators? Overlooking or misanswering this question can derail the entire green card sponsorship process. So, what counts as a familial relationship? The Department of Labor defines it broadly. It includes immediate family members like parents, children, or siblings, extended relatives like cousins, aunts, uncles, nieces, and nephews, in-laws and step-relatives, and distant or complex connections like second cousins or step-in-laws. If there's any family connection between the employee and company leadership, you must disclose it. Why does it matter? Because PERM exists to protect U.S. workers, if a family connection exists, the Department of Labor may question whether the job was real, the recruitment practices were fair, and whether U.S. workers had a genuine chance. Hiring a relative doesn't automatically disqualify your application, but it will likely draw additional scrutiny. But what happens when you disclose a family relationship? The DOL will usually audit the application. You'll need to prove that the job opportunity was legitimate, that your recruitment followed all required rules and regulations, and that the sponsored employee had no influence over the hiring process. Thorough documentation, like keeping evidence of job ads and applicant interviews, can help your case. Now, what if you don't disclose a family relationship? The risks are high. It can lead to the revocation of your employee's green card petition and all associated benefits, including priority date, immigration fraud findings, your employee's permanent inadmissibility into the U.S., and employer sanctions and reputational damage. These consequences can happen years after a PERM approval. So what can employers do? Applying for PERM can be complicated, and one missed detail can derail the future of both you and your sponsored employee. If you're hiring foreign talent, know the rules for PERM and protect your workers. And if there's any doubt about a family relationship, it's a good idea to consult with an immigration attorney before submitting the PERM application. The short-term effort can save you and your sponsored employee years of immigration challenges. Know someone hiring foreign talent? Share this video and help them avoid costly PERM mistakes.